You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this prize or this award. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from literature, make sure to stay tuned. Many more coming up at the end of the video, and subscribe. So it's pronounced Pulitzer in English. Pulitzer. An S sound, so it's not Pulitzer. Pulitzer. In American English, the way it's usually pronounced in the US is similar. Pulitzer, with an R sound at the end. Pulitzer Prize in American English, or Pulitzer Prize in British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.